interesting. Dogecoin. We have Dogechain Dogecoin tag along Sidechain. Let's talk about this because Dogecoin is a top 15 cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. But let's go to this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Now, Dogecoin, let's have a little bit of a short summary. It was a silly meme, popular meme often associated with Elon Musk, has really experienced volatility in its price. The popularity of the coin has led to remarkable increase in adoption, replacing Cardano's 88 as the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world. But let's go and talk about this Dogechain. Dogechain is a side chain that uses Polygon Edge, which is a separate network that allows developers to work in a custom environment on Polygon itself, a side chain of Ethereum. Now, side chains are separate blockchain networks that run parallel to a main blockchain and connect to each other through bridges. Now, side chains allow for a smoother exchanges between the blockchains, but use their own separate mechanism. They use their own separate mechanism. So side chains could be an effective way of doing business. Now, layer 2s, on the other hand, are built directly on top of a layer 1 blockchain to help with the processing transaction faster with lower fees. You're probably gonna like lower fees. I like the layer 2 because it definitely breaks down the fundamentals, very simple and very easy, and it's affordable. Layer 2 do this by bundling transactions and passing them through down to the main chain where they can be finalized or written officially to the chain in a big bulk or a small bulk. Before they're made officially a special sort of security on the base chain vets the bundles on transaction to make sure nothing looks kind of weird. Dogechain is a side chain. It's not a layer 2, just to let you know about that. And how they're basically connected. Dogechain sidechain was launched in August. While it usually part of the Dogecoin technology, does not have a direct connection to the developers or the foundation that built the meme coin. It's totally separate entities, okay? So they definitely have some separation there. At the time of Dogechain's launch, the executive board member of the Dogecoin Foundation tweeted that the foundation had no affiliation with the Dogechain project. The founders of Dogecoin do not have any ties to Dogecoin either. Okay, so Dogechain is a side chain based on Polygon, all right? Dogecoin is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which is Ethereum software that is able to run smart contracts and other business. So that's the information I got for you in terms of the Dogechain, Dogecoin tag along sidekick. This looks really interesting, and the Dogechain using the whole Polygon technology edge make this interesting. But Dogecoin continues to be bullish, the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.